Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is kind of a big video for us. It's October and we've been in our house 1 year. For those who don't know, we sold our house at the beginning of 2022 and basically we were homeless for a while, 6-7 months. We moved down into her grandparents' basement in the bottom of Columbus, Ohio. We searched and searched for houses all summer and come up empty-handed. Really? Yeah, I know. You weren't even there yet, dude. Right. We searched all summer for houses, come up empty-handed, made offers, physically went and looked at houses and, you know, the whole deal, house shopping. We kind of lost all hope, but then we were on a date night and our housing lady called and said, I found you a house. There was a lot of uncertainty because moving into a new house needed a lot of work. And about a month into living in the house, we found out that we had a third coming. So we had another car lover on the way. So this video is basically going to be from day one in the house and me building the shop because it did not look like this. It took a lot of work, a lot of time. It's been one heck of a journey the past year. It's been fun. I have the shop of my dreams. We have a nice house and we have a future race car driver. So hope you enjoy the video. Look what I got. The keys to our new house. I am sleeping in my new house this weekend. 150 sheets of 1/2-inch foam board. Yeah, that sucked.
What you think?
It is time after 5 months, 6 months,
So long.
stuck in a basement in the bottom of Columbus, Ohio. See, wide open. We can do whatever we want out here. That's my favorite part. We'll tour that here in a second. It is what, 4 bedroom, 2 bath. It's got a full furnished walkout basement. This is a 40 by 60. It's just a regular pole barn. It does not have electric or insulation, which it's an easy fix, whatever, we can take care of that. I'm going to divide it right here, knock all this out, basically make this the main support, and the cars are gonna have their own section right here. So like this is where the cars are gonna go, so they're out of the way of the main area, the land of opportunity. So as you can see earlier, I got all my insulation. A big thing that's kind of it's gonna cost me a lot of money, which we're kind of limited. We have a budget here and it's dwindling, is stone. I need a driveway out of this door to go to the main driveway, and then because we are car people and we have low cars, the whole driveway basically needs redone. This is it. This is what I've been waiting for months. Let's see, this is a 40 by 40 section. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna run 10 outlets. So I should have plenty of power. Up there, I am running all the electric for the lights. I got new LED lights, so it's gonna be like a freaking tanning bed in here. That is 8-3 wire. It is coated, so it's made to go right in the ground. You don't have to run it through conduit, which is nice. So the driveway, I used the rock box with the teeth, ground it all up, leveled it. At the end of the driveway, fixed all that, so that when we come in with a trailer, or perhaps maybe a trailer in the future that's a little bit longer, $590 of gravel, right here. Everything's working here, except for there's some wiring issues that the previous owner did. Basically, we flipped on the breaker and he got a nice firework in his face. We officially have electric in the shop now, so all the outlets work. We had to go on a little scavenger hunt last night to find that incorrect wired outlet hidden in the insulation. All the electric is ran, everything is good. I officially have electric in the shop. 2 days to dig, 15 minutes to bury. We are technically halfway through my to-do list, the shop to-do list. Step one was to level the driveway and get stone up the door here, which is complete. Step 2 was to run the electric, which is now complete. I got electric throughout the entire shop. And then where we're at currently, we're about halfway. Step 3 is to insulate 3, and then step 4 is a good deep cleaning on the floor and move everything in. My car is gonna go there, her car is gonna go there, so it's when you walk in the shop, you just get a gorgeous view of the 2 Subarus. Steps 1 and 2 are complete, and at the end of that video, you've seen that I have a roll of 40 mil plastic that I'm using as a vapor barrier. As you can see, I am in the process of hanging all that up. Kind of see it back there, but we're moving along. I have all of this to do. I'm doing this all myself. Basically, after work, I'm coming in, putting about 3-4 hours in, eating dinner, basically taking a shower, doing it again the next day. So I am making progress. It is taking forever because, like I said earlier, it's heavy. So it is now Sunday. I spent all Friday and Saturday basically finishing the roof. I started on the wall. That is all the vapor barriers done. So all the plastic, it doesn't look very pretty because it's heavy, it's bulky, it's awkward. Entire ceiling is done. It doesn't look terrible, but you can tell, you can see where the lines are. Basically, some of the cuts from like the manufacturer weren't very straight. And then like, cause they had to import, cause I had 150 sheets, they had to bring stuff in from different stores. So like a lot of damage, like a lot of damage and stuff. Like this pile here, like that corner's gone right there. Oh boy, look at that. It's like a freaking tanning bed in here. Nice, very nice. Perfect, perfect. That's exciting. I was hoping that, or I thought I would have to buy more. So boom. So next step, because the lights and this roof is done, I'm moving on to that roof. So basically the plan per se is to get this roof done, that roof done, and then close that gap. Next step after all the roof is going to be, I'm gonna do the top row of the walls. And then I'm going to clean the floor. Thinking of my wonderful wife, we were able to knock a lot of this out. So all these sheets are gonna be for the walls. I added a little bit of black paint to kind of give them a gray color instead of the white like the roof. Got the top all done. I had to take a couple of days off, so I feel like I'm a little behind. It was Christmas, so Merry Christmas. It is now, I believe, the 27th. We are all done with the top layer. And so now next step is to clean all this mess up. Okay, so we're all cleaned up. I put a very light layer of simple green down after 2 frozen hoses. And a lot of, well, my hose whip off my spigot broke because it was frozen. We're finally pressure washing. All right, so we are done power washing. My lovely wife and I knocked the rest of the paneling out. We painted all that. I believe it was 38 sheets to complete it. So all those are painted and ready to be hung. And look at that. The car spot is done. That's where the 2 cars are gonna sit. That's their new spot, their new bedroom. So, all right, 3 months, over 5,000 staples, over 2,500 screws. Many late nights, frustration, fatigue, the whole deal. It is finally completed. The new shop is now done. So pardon me if I get a little bit emotional. This is big for me. Time to unpack, build the new shop. About time. Thank you to my dad, best dad ever. Let me borrow his truck because yes, I have a 4-wheel drive diesel pickup that I don't get out in the wintertime because I don't like the salt. I get a lot of crap for that. So put a late one last night. I was out here till about midnight, but I got a lot of stuff unpacked. I got, like, that's where my car's gonna go. That's the shrine. That's all the trophies, all her trophies. That's where the wife's car's gonna go. I got all the tools kind of set up. I still have to pack my toolbox, but. All right, it's time. It's time to move the cars to their new bedroom, their new home, their new habitat. Oogie. They're all in here. 6 liters in here. Would you look at this? Oh, look at that. It is perfect. Oh. That is so pretty. Beautiful. 3 months. Done. Finally. So now I'm gonna start putting tools away. So yeah. So kind of an emotional moment. Toolbox is gone, all the tools are gone. So officially out of this shop, and everything's moved in the new shop, but kind of emotional. I mean, this shop is where I've been the last probably legitly about 12 to 13 years, ever since I was in high school. This is where I grew up and where I became a car guy. So I mean, basically 12 years of building and working on stuff, and this shop is where I literally did my first oil change ever when I was in middle school. But when one chapter closes, a new one opens. So I'm excited to get in the new shop and see where that evolves in the next maybe year or so. Right here, when you walk out the door, right here when you walk out the walk-through door, this is all muddy. So I got plenty of like pavers and stone back there from, they had a pool. So I'm gonna use those and fill this in. And then right there, right there, there's a big muddy mess. So I'm gonna end up probably getting another load of gravel and filling in probably another 4 to 5 feet this way. So this is the shop. I just got done with it about, I'd say about 4 months ago. This is where I'm going to spend most of my time, and this is where I hope you spend a lot of your time also with me. So we appreciate everybody watching the video and supporting the channel. It's been, like I said, one wild ride. I mean, this has evolved into something we never dreamed of. I mean, I had a plan, a dead set plan of inheriting or purchasing another shop at my parents' house, and we got quite the curveball thrown at us last year, and you know, it turned out for the better. So oh, don't pay attention to that. That's next week's video. I honestly couldn't ask for anything more than what I got. I mean, I got a nice truck, we got 2 cars, I got the shop of my dreams, and I potentially could be opening my own business. So I couldn't ask for anything more. Things have turned out absolutely fantastic. Plus we have our little guy back there. So we really do appreciate the love and support we get on the channel. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy. So we really appreciate everybody, every subscriber on the channel. Thank you for your support and supporting the videos and watching the videos and sharing the videos and liking the videos and every, the whole deal. So with that said, look out for the next video. That's basically what that's gonna be and what that's gonna be back there. So with that said, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Hey everyone, thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Be sure to check out her Etsy account, The Sweetheart Design, for custom illustrations, vinyls, and t-shirts. She can make anything you want.
And use code BOOSTIN_DC on jacksbox.com for 15% off.